Today we're diving into the latest updates on grass.
No, not the grass your dog poops on.
This is the airdrop program that's been buzzing around the crypto community. For those who've been with us since season 1, you've already seen the crazy profits and growth this project has already seen. Just by being active in season 1, I personally made over $3,000 on this airdrop. Now, whether you're a new or old user, Grass just kicked off its second season. There's another opportunity to earn big rewards. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started and the best way to both farm and buy grass. For those who participated in season 1 and actively farmed grass, the returns were fantastic. Not only did you receive grass points, but you also were able to receive the grass airdrop that came on October 28, 2024. I personally brought in over 1,000 grass in the farming of season 1, and that turned in over $3,000 in profit. The price of grass has doubled. It started around 70 cents and recently climbed to over $3.90, and the bull run is just kicking off. Many booked significant profits by selling at the right time, but those who held on to their earnings continue to see their value grow. Make sure you look out for our next video on grass, of how to claim your token airdrop, sell your allocation, buy more grass token, or stake to earn even more. Now don't worry, if you missed season 1, you too can still earn in season 2 and make sure you're in grass points and get the grass airdrop. So keep watching this video and we'll tell you how to make sure you lock in your bags for season 2 on grass. If you would like to begin investing and trading grass for yourself, use the link down below in the description or in my bio for Blowfin and sign up and join today. Now let's talk about season 2. We are currently unsure about the length of season 2, but we can estimate the number of epochs it will take to complete season 2. Season 1 took a total of 9 epochs to complete. That's 7 regular, 1 closed alpha, and 1 bonus epoch. My guess is season 2 is going to take 7 to 10 epochs to complete, and at the time of this recording, the first epoch isn't even finished. Every epoch gives a user the chance to earn rewards by staying active on the grass platform. Now you can do this from a desktop or a mobile device like a phone or tablet. You can farm grass while driving to work, or even getting your favorite cup of coffee, or even while you're playing your favorite video games. As a bonus, if you'd like to increase your grass rewards, make sure you have your friends sign up on your referral link. You can use the link that's under this video in the description or the link in my bio to start farming grass today and to go get your friends signed up on your link. Step 1, go to my video description or the link in my bio to sign up for grass. Step 2, once signed up, visit the store tab within the grass dashboard. Step 3, download the grass Chrome extension. Step 4, once you have downloaded the extension, then download the grass desktop node to 2x your earnings. Step number 5, click on the tab title, rewards, and make sure to verify your email and wallet address to look in all rewards for the future. Step number 6, if you do not have a wallet address, visit our YouTube video, how to set up a Solana wallet for your desktop or mobile device and create a Solana wallet. Then revisit step number 5. Step number 7, finally, connect your Google Chrome extension to the dashboard and your grass desktop node to make sure both are synced to start earning. For new users, this is the best way to start farming grass. With these steps, you're all set to start participating in farming grass in season 2. If you're an existing user on the grass platform, you need to make sure you do these next steps to 2x your earnings for this next season. Step number 1, log into your grass dashboard. Step number 2, click the tab on the left side of the screen that says store. Step number 3, make sure to download the grass desktop node to 2x your earnings. Now step number 4, make sure you click on the tab called rewards and verify your email and wallet address to lock in all future rewards. Now remember, season 1 is completely over for your earnings. You can only get what you got. So for season 2, if you want to make sure you max out your earnings, do not shut off this desktop node and cut off your connection. So whether if you're a new participant or a returning user, make sure you stay extremely active during season 2 so you maximize your rewards. The grass team has been great at getting us a return, and they're gonna do the same exact thing in this next season. Now, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop them down in the comments below, or even use the link down below or in my bio to join our private Discord where I can personally help you. Now remember, like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget, we keep Solana simple.